Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the access-to-web.whatsapp.com was denied problem on your computer. Recently, many people have been facing this issue, especially while using the Google Chrome browser. When trying to open WhatsApp Web, this error message appears and users are unable to log in. So in this video, I'll show you a few simple steps to fix this problem easily. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. After that, go to Site Settings. If you see any blocked or declined permissions for WhatsApp Web, make sure to enable them. Sometimes this issue happens because certain browser permissions are disabled. If the problem is still not fixed, then you need to clear your browser cache and browsing data. To do this, go back to Privacy and Security and click on Clear Browsing Data. Now select all the available options. Then click on Delete Data or Clear Data. After clearing the browser cache, open WhatsApp Web again. Now you should be able to log in easily, and the problem should be fixed. I personally faced the same issue, and clearing the browser cache solved the problem for me. I hope this video helps you. If you found this video useful, give it a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.